The focus of this video lesson is points, lines, and planes. A point is a geometric shape that has no dimension, meaning it has no actual size, no length or width. A dot is used to represent a point. When we say this, we write point A or say point A. When we see it, it's just a dot with an uppercase letter next to it. A line has one dimension. It is represented by a line with two arrowheads, but it extends without end. When you label this or write this line, there are multiple ways we can do it. We can call this line L, as indicated by the lowercase italicized L next to the line. We can also name a line using any 2 points on the line. In this case, we see points A and B, so we can call this line AB, which would be written as AB with a line with both arrows above, or line BA, written the same way with a line with arrows above. A plane has 2 dimensions, meaning it has length and width. It is represented by a shape that looks like a floor or a wall, but it extends without end in every direction. Now, in order to name a plane, there are 2 ways to do it. The first of which is to use an uppercase letter that does not have a point. It gives the name of the plane, or any 3 points on the plane can be used to name it. Note that the 3 points that you choose cannot all be on the same line. Points that are collinear are points that lie on the same line. For example, in this diagram, A, C, and B are collinear. Coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. So in this figure, all of the points lying on plane M are A, B, C, and D. The only point that is not coplanar is point F. Example 1. Give 2 other names for line DE and plane C. Let's take a look. So remember, to name line DE, which is right here, we can either use the lowercase letter next to it. So we're going to say line R, or we can use the same 2 points, but reverse the direction. So ED, line ED. Now, 2 other names for plane C would be any 3 points along the plane. So if we take a look at this plane, we can pick any 3 points as long as they're not on the same line. So D, A, and F can name plane C. So we can call this plane D, A, F. We can also call this plane A, E, F. So once again, any 3 points can name the plane. Example 2. Name 3 points that are collinear, and name 4 points that are coplanar. Well, to be collinear, they have to lie on the same line. So these 3 points, A, D, and E, are collinear. To be coplanar, they have to all be on the same plane. We could see here that there are 4 points on plane C. So A, D, E, and F are coplanar. Now you go ahead and give it a try. Give 2 other names for line AB and name a point that is not coplanar with A, D, and B. Pause the video, give it a try. A line segment consists of endpoints A and B and all the points between A and B. This can be written as segment AB or a segment BA. A ray AB consists of the endpoint A and all points on line AB that lie on the same side of A as B. Do note that the way the ray is written does very much depend on the order in which the endpoints and ray are. So